Hi, I'm Austin Callison with Hayden Outdoors Real Estate. Today we're at the CK Ranch in Big Piney, Wyoming. I'm with my partner, Andy Neild. Andy and I have partnered up on this listing, and we're really excited about this place. It's over 6,000 acres. Sits right down in the bottom with Cottonwood Creek going through here. Tell us a little bit about the creek and kind of some of the history in the area.
Yeah, so North Cottonwood Creek here, where we have the Wyoming Range back here in the backdrop of this creek. This family it's a legacy ranch. It's been in the family since early 1900s. Just a really, really cool place.
You know, a couple other things that I like about this place is you border up to the BLM ground. We got a 640 BLM ground, and then we've got National Forest behind there. The owners of this ranch, they have the rights to graze cattle on that BLM ground. But we just went up there a little bit ago and we seen elk and deer. They do really, really well in the hunting here. You have over 6,000 acres here, but then you've got thousands of acres out the gate that you control access to.
Right, there's, like you say, you have access to the BLM, plus you're surrounded by the National Forest. So you have all of that it's all private ground that you're able to have access to, private property. There's a neighboring ranch that you're kind of surrounded by, but other than that, there's really no other access points in the area.
So we have approximately 7 miles of the creek that meanders through here. The fishing potential is really, really high with this creek. They're doing a few things to fix some of the species that were in here, but just phenomenal because you own the entire creek all the way through here. It's completely private. Nobody can come up here and fish this other than the owners of the property.
Right, and there's countless other spring creeks that come into the property that all drain into the North Cottonwood Creek.
We talked a lot today running around up here and looking at all the trees. I mean, we picked a perfect time of the year to come up and video with the trees changing and then the backdrop of both mountain ranges surrounding the place. So I don't know, it's a stunning place, a legacy ranch, and we're excited to represent this place.
Right, we see the Wind Rivers right here, the Wyoming Range like I mentioned, and when we get into the trees and into the forest, there's just rubs all over the place from elk and mule deer and antelope that are all here on the property, as well as sage grouse, that just make it an exciting place. So we're here in Big Piney, Wyoming. So there's an airport here in Big Piney. We're roughly an hour from Jackson Hole. Salt Lake is a close distance away, and Star Valley is just over the Wyoming Range that you can go in and enjoy some hunting and fishing as well. You can go through McDougal Gap, which is open in summer, really beautiful scenic route, or you can go around and come through Pinedale. Great places to eat.
Great road system throughout the ranch. There's multiple gravel roads. There's 2-track trails to be able to get around. So the nice thing is access is really good on this place to get to where you want to hunt, to gather cattle, whatever it is. We've been around most of this ranch, and the fences look really good on here. They've got a few different pastures where they can rotate cattle.
There's a lot of history on this ranch. We have Walts Cabin, which is in the Big Piney Historical Society website. That's one of the original homesteaders of this ranch, which is still here on this property.
This has timber, it has live water, it's got sage, it's got aspens, and then it's got an irrigated meadow that's about 200 acres. We've had a fantastic day out here. The fall colors, the crisp air, the elk, the deer, everything that we've got to see on this place has been phenomenal. Andy, I'm excited about the opportunity and our partnership of selling this legacy ranch. So thanks for partnering up with me.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Austin.